Okay, so here we have just soldered the wires to the battery. So in order to protect these connections from water damage, it's just a matter of putting this in the heat shrink tubing. So try to choose a diameter which is going to fit nicely your battery. So as you can see here, we don't have that much space between the battery itself and the edge of the heat shrink tubing. Put the tabs back in place if needed. Okay, and make sure you are in the middle. Okay. When you're happy with that, you can start heat shrinking. So start with one edge. When you heat shrink batteries, it's really important to not overheat the battery. So don't stay too long on the same place. And basically, yeah, so now you see that it's starting to shrink. So that's just what you want, you don't want more. So as soon as it's nicely shrinked, okay, you can stop. And here you take this, close it. Okay. We just leave that like this for now. And then we'll do on the side of the battery. We're not going to close the heat shrink tubing yet, because these batteries are, batteries or tags are frequently long enough to actually be able to do the inside first before closing everything, and this is actually better because you can put the air outside. Basically, make sure you put all the air out. Don't hold the heat gun too close from the battery, or don't be really next to it, because otherwise you may overheat it. And yeah, as I said before, don't stay too long at the same place. If you want to check if it's done or not, you can just put your fingers on it and feel if you can still feel bubbles of air between the battery and the tubing. It's not looking that bad. So I'm just going to do it a little bit more, and I'll finish this side then as well. Like here you can see, I can see and I can feel there is a bubble. So I'm going to remove that. Okay, so now we are going to finish this edge. So reheat it again a bit. And you can actually see that this is now starting to react to heat, so it's good. And then gently push it back. Can be hot, so if you can handle it, then you can do it with your finger. If you can't, just use a tool. And push it against the end of the battery so that it's flat, because it's going to take less room in your overall housing, and your final result is going to be better. And so this is nice because it's not going to take too much room, too much additional room than what is needed. So this is great. And now we can actually finish and do the second side. You close it. Just as before, make sure your wires are apart from each other, so they are really nicely included in the glue. And when this is done, you can press it on the side, so it's taking less room in the housing.